Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to access Google Classroom. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to get there, so I felt like this video would answer a lot of those questions. Okay, so if you're working on a Chromebook, when you open it up, it probably is going to bring you here to the Ringgold homepage. So the first thing you're going to do to get to Google Classroom is you're going to sign into Google. So this is the Google homepage. It has your typical search engine thing here. I need to sign into it, and every student has their own Google account. So I'm actually signed in here. I'm actually going to sign myself out. So that's I have my personal account for Google, and I also have my school account. Right now you're going to use the student's ID. So their school ID number usually starts with 7, I believe, and it's a 6-digit number. I'm just going to type in a random one. And then that would be followed by the @ students.ringgold.org. So you would type in their lunch number at students.ringgold.org as their user. You push the next button. That's obviously not a password, but it usually would bring you up to a place where, username, sorry, that would usually bring you up to where you put in your password, and that will be the word RAMS, R-A-M-S, all lowercase, followed by your student's graduation year. So that's that. I'm going to just use my Ringgold account here so I can get into my classroom. So you're all signed in here. My picture's there, but there might be a little letter there, probably for the students. So the next thing you're going to do is click this box where you find the squares, and that'll open up some Google tools that you can use. It might not be at the top like mine is, but it could be down here at the bottom or somewhere, so you just have to scroll to find it. You're going to click on this little icon of the chalkboard with the person on it, and it will bring you to Google Classroom. And your student may be signed up in various Google Classrooms. For instance, they might be in the itinerant classroom, as well as the speech classroom, as well as my classroom, as well as their homeroom teacher's classroom. But for now, I'm just going to go into mine. I'm going to just click on Miss C's class. It'll take me there. And now I can see the classroom, and all the announcements will be right there when you open it up. So that will be the first thing you see. If you want to see the students' classwork, all you have to do is go to classwork, and you'll find topics. So these blue fonted letters are all the topics. So under daily assignments, you'll see the attendance, where you'll take your students' attendance. You'll see the calendar form, which you can do daily as part of their routine, the how are you feeling page, and then there's some warm-up videos there that are optional. You can also see the phonics and sight words. I'll be posting an assignment there daily, so it might be a phonics activity like rhyming or blending words together or sounds together, or it might be like a sight word thing that they have to do. The reading assignments are also listed here, so as you can see, for 120, that will be Wednesday's work, Thursday's work, Friday's work. And then there's some supplemental material here. If you see here, this will be our read aloud schedule. You'll find the different read alouds that I'll be doing, as well as some other special guests. So that's there. And then here for math, you'll have your math assignments. That's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All you have to do is click on them, and it shows you what you need to do. And then here is the other. It just shows like how you get to the class meetings at 10:30. Again, not optional. They don't have to participate. It's just some time if they want to interact with me and some of their classmates. That's optional. And here are the sources to get to your websites. So the links are right there for you. And then I'll be putting the old assignments down here. But everything you need to know is pretty much here. Also, you can find helpful things in the March 30th through April 3rd Google Slides PowerPoint, which you can open as well, and you'll find the suggested class schedule, just the assignments broken down by day, Thursday, Friday, and also the links to get to the different websites. But that's about it. All this week's assignments I'll give a 2-week grace period, just being that, we're just getting started and not everybody has access to the internet and or devices right now. So those won't be due not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So there'll be time for that. Again, this is a work at your own kind of pace type thing. So just take it as you can do it. And if you have any questions, just feel free to let me know. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, you can just always give me a call during my office hours, which are from 9:30 to 10 and from 2:30 to 3 o'clock, Monday through Friday. So, alright, that's it for now. Bye.